So today we are going to do a few of the past year questions for chapter 1.2, set notation and Venn diagrams. Question, this is adopted from November 2017, paper 2, variant 1. Question 15a. Set Q consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down a set P where P is a proper subset of Q. So as I have mentioned in the earlier videos, when I say P is a subset of Q, it means that any values from 1 to 6 but must be less than this. We cannot write down like we cannot say that P is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is wrong because we can't write the whole set into here. This is called if let's say P is actually this, we can call it a proper we can call it a subset, but in this case it means a proper subset. This means proper subset, so we must be fewer than 6 elements from this set. So maybe you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As long as it's less than 6 elements, then should be okay. Or you can write as empty set, because as I've mentioned, empty set is the subset of all sets. So part B, shade these regions in Venn diagrams. When shading I advise you to use pencils, because you can change if let's say you have did wrong, you sketch it wrongly. So for this, N union N prime. N is this. N prime is N prime is the region which is outside the set N, which is this region outside the N. So N is this one. When we talk about union, it means everything. Union with N prime. N prime is outside this circle. No matter, although we have shaded here, but never mind. It's still correct. This region, although it's not N prime, but then they say union. So union means everything. Everything that is outside N. Yeah, I just roughly sketch. In exam, you sketch it properly lah. Now I'm just doing exercise. So this is the answer. For this one, A union B. A union B intersect with C prime. A union B looks like this. This A union B. But this thing intersect with part C. This is a C prime, complement of C, which means that C outside the C is this region. This is C1. So outside this circle, means complement of C. So which region they are intersecting with this and outside the region outside the C? It's only this region, right? This is the part that is intersected. Or what you can do is actually like this. In the exam, let's say you really don't know, or at first you can't see it, you can do it like this. A union B is this region. C prime is outside the C. Outside the C. Outside the C. Outside the C. Something like that. Then you look for the part that has double sketches, like this. Double sketches. Then that's the answer. If you look at here, there's only one line. Then it's not the answer. So this part is the answer. because this part has double sketches. So your answer should be like this. Yeah, this region is the answer. Sketch it properly lah in the exam. Here only exercise, so it's okay. So this question is adopted from October-November 2009, paper 2, Venn 2. Question 7. Shade the region required in each Venn diagram. 2 marks, so 1 mark per each. So A intersect with C. A intersect with C is which part? Let's say you really don't know. You can draw first. For first timer, you can try this out. A is this part. C, you draw it another way. C in a different orientated. So the part that has double sketches means the answer. So this part is the answer for this part only. This part intersect with outside the B. Outside the B means I draw here. Sorry about the mess. So this is A intersect C. Intersect with B prime. B prime here is B, so B prime is outside the B. Outside the B. Yeah. So which part has double sketches? This part has double sketch. So this is the answer. This part only. Then you will get 1 mark. Yeah. For this one, A union C. It means A union is easy because it means everything. A union C. Intersect with B prime. Outside the B prime is only B prime. So this is A union C. Intersect with B prime. B prime is here. So which part has double sketches? This part, right? This part, outside the B, so this region. I hope you understand what I'm saying. If you don't understand, leave it in the comment section. I'll try my best to explain. Yeah. So that's basically how I do at first when I met this question. At first I was so very frustrated because I don't know how to, I don't get it. Then after I using this method, then I some kind of get it, how to do this kind of question. Okay, the third question. This is adopted from October-November 2002. Paper 2 is a long question. It's a long old paper. 3 sets A, B, and K are such that A is a proper subset of K, B is a proper subset of K, and A intersect with B is equal to empty set. Draw a Venn diagram to show this information. 2 marks means you must have 2 points. 1 point. They say A and B are both is a proper subset of K. So what does it mean? That means they say A intersect with B is empty set, means there is no intersection with A and B. So let's say this is A, this is B. There are no intersection between them. If there is intersection, if you draw it like this, but no intersection, that means there is no intersection. Then they said A is a proper subset of K, B is a proper subset of K. That means you can draw it like maybe you can draw it like this. Then outside here you write K. As long as you show that A and B are disjoint, and A and B is a proper subset of K, then It's okay. It's correct. You will get 2 marks. This question is a long question, but then yeah, it's adopted from October-November 2010. Question paper 2-1. Question number 22. In a survey of 60 cars, 25 used diesel, 20 used liquid hydrogen, and 22 used electricity. No cars use all 3 fuels, and 14 cars use both diesel and electricity. There are only 8 cars which use diesel only. 15 use liquid hydrogen only, and 6 cars which use electricity only. In the Venn diagram below, this is universal set is the cars in the survey. D means the cars in which they use diesel, L means liquid hydrogen, E means electricity. Part A. Use the information above to fill in the 5 missing numbers in the Venn diagrams. So I hope you can see this is 4 marks question, so it carries a high marks in this question. So if you look at here, there are a total of 60. Oops. Sorry about that. There are a total of 60 cars. That means this is 60. The universal set is 60. 25 use diesel. That means this part is 25. 20 use liquid hydrogen. That means this circle total must be 20. And 22 use electricity. That means this circle inside must add up to 22. No cars use all 3 fuels. That means there is no cars use here. That means here is 0. Right? Because this part is in this circle, and this circle. Since they say there are no cars in all use all 3 fuels, that means the total, the 3 intersection of 3 fuels are 0. 14 cars use both diesel and electricity. That means D and E, the intersection over here, must add up to 14. So this plus 0 must be 14. So this part must be 14. So 14 plus 0 is 14. There are 8 cars in which use diesel only. So diesel only is this part. They don't use others, this part. They don't use this part, and this part. They use diesel only. So 8. 15 cars use liquid hydrogen. So liquid hydrogen is 15. And only 6 cars use electricity. Okay, how to get the others one? Okay, now we look back at the question again. 25 use diesel. That means this circle must be 25. This part is what? What add up to this plus this is 22. 22 plus what to get 25? 22 plus 3 to get 25. So this circle must be 25. So we get this already. For this part, liquid hydrogen is 20. So 3 plus 15 is 18. We must add how much to get becomes 20. So 18 plus 2, because 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Then we have completed. Then we look at here. Useful. Now we do a checking. Electricity is 22. So here must be 22. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 22. So yes, these answers are correct. Look at here. Don't miss this out. Total is 60 cars. So this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this is 8 plus 14 plus 3 plus 2 plus 15 plus 6 is 48. 60 minus 48 is 12. So here is 12. So total in this universal set, the total car is 60. Get the idea. Okay. Hope you can see it. Find a number of cars which use diesel but not electricity. Use diesel, that means D intersect with E prime. Oh, right here. It means D, sorry. It means D intersect with E prime. E prime, we have D before, right? D is this part. E prime is this D, this E. E prime is outside E. This part is E prime. So which part has double lines? This part. Right. So we have to find this part. This part is this part. So 8 plus 3 is 11. How about this? D E union L. E union L means this whole thing intersect with D prime. This is D prime. This is D. D prime means outside the D. This part outside the D. So which part has double lines? This part. Right. So this part is this part. So 6 plus 2 plus 15 is 23. So it's 23. Like that you get 1 mark and 1 mark.